The seventh generation of the Daihatsu Move has debuted in Japan after a 2-year delay. The K car rides on the DNGA platform and has a fully redesigned exterior with sliding doors. The Move RS trim features a turbo engine with 63 horsepower and has a sportier suspension setup. It's been a long wait, but the Daihatsu Move is finally back. After a 2-year pause caused by a safety scandal that rocked Japan's automotive industry in 2023, Daihatsu has returned to the K car game with a brand new generation of its long-running city car. The 7th generation Move introduces fresh styling, sliding rear doors, and a more modern platform, marking a clean break from the past. Daihatsu has sold over 3.4 million Moves since the original model launched in 1995. This new version is a ground-up redesign, sharing its DNGA underpinnings with the Hijet and a tri-light commercial vehicles. In terms of size, the latest Move sticks to the 3,395mm, 133.7-inch, length limit for K cars, while gaining a slightly longer wheelbase of 2,460mm, 96.9 inches. One of the most notable upgrades is the addition of rear sliding doors, a feature that adds a welcome dose of practicality to this compact minivan. It's a smart move that mirrors offerings from competitors like the Honda N-Box. With the exception of the entry-level L grade, all trims, X, G, and RS, come standard with a power sliding door and a touch-and-go lock system. At the front, the Move gets a sleeker face with slim headlights, a friendlier-looking grille, and sporty bumper intakes that are more decorative than functional. The side profile now looks sharper and more sculpted, with defined character lines and a wraparound greenhouse. At the rear, you'll find smaller L-shaped taillights, subtly curved rear glass, and faux triangular vents on the bumper, giving the car a cleaner, slightly more modern look. Besides the 13 combinations of the color palette and the slight variations between the grades, grille, headlight graphics, wheels, Daihatsu offers additional personalization options for the Move. These include exterior and interior add-ons, bundled together in the optional Dandy Sport and Noble Chic styles. Inside, the cabin is designed for utility, not flash. It seats 4 and focuses on everyday convenience, with plenty of storage solutions throughout. The front seats fold flat and, when paired with the reclining rear bench, create a makeshift double sofa bed for mid-road trip naps or light camping setups. Buyers can choose between 3 infotainment screen sizes, 7, 9, or 10 inches, all paired with an analog instrument cluster. The gear selector remains mounted high on the center console next to physical climate controls, keeping things simple and familiar. Optional features include heated front seats, a wireless charging pad, and the Smart Assist driver assistance suite. Under the short hood of the Move lies a 658 cubic centimeters gasoline engine, in line with the K car regulations in Japan that don't permit a larger displacement. The naturally aspirated engine is good for 51 horsepower, 38 kilowatts/52 PS, while the turbocharged version found in the RS trim generates a healthier 63 horsepower, 47 kilowatts/64 PS. Along with the extra power, the Move RS gets a sportier suspension setup featuring unique shock absorbers and rides on 15-inch wheels. Like most K cars, the Move is available in both 2WD and 4WD layouts, and every version uses a CVT gearbox. The new Daihatsu Move is already available to order in Japan. Pricing starts at 1,358,500 yen, $9,500, for the entry-level 2WD version and tops out at 2,044,000 yen, $14,300, for the flagship 4WD trim. Daihatsu hopes to sell 6,000 units of the K car per month, all produced in Japan's Oita Prefecture.